Imagine transforming a simple text prompt into a hit song with just a few clicks. Meet Udio, your ultimate AI companion for creating amazing songs effortlessly. Let's dive in and unleash your musical genius. First, head over to Udio and enter your text prompt. Switch on manual mode and let the magic begin. Next, choose the type of lyrics you want. Once you are set, click the Create button. Watch as Udio works its magic. Listen to the preview.
New dawn breaks, let's start anew. Open heart, chasing dreams, we'll make them true. Fresh start.
Is it what you envisioned? If you love it, fantastic. Simply hit download and your song is ready. Want to tweak it a bit? Let's dive into the exciting remix feature. To remix your song, revisit your prompt and make the desired edits. Once you are satisfied, hit the remix button. Preview the new version and refine it until it's perfect.
I'll cast aside the shadows and embrace the new dawn's light.
And there you have it, a unique song created in minutes. Start creating your own songs with Udio today and let your creativity soar. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.